In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Swedish restaurant in IKEA online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to see the Swedish restaurant page and browse the menu categories so you can plan your next visit with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to the official IKEA website. If you're prompted to choose a country or region, select the one closest to you so that the restaurant information, prices, and availability match your local store. Once you're on the home page, look toward the main navigation. On desktop, you'll see headings across the top. On mobile, tap the menu icon to reveal the same options. Click on Products. This opens the full product browsing area, and it also includes food-related sections. Within the products area, locate the IKEA food section. It's where IKEA groups its groceries, snacks, and dining experiences. Under IKEA Food, click on Swedish Restaurant. This takes you to the dedicated restaurant page for your selected country or store network. From here, you can now see all the food offered in the restaurant. The page typically shows featured dishes first, along with images, short descriptions, and prices. If the site asks you to confirm a store location at the top of the page, set it to your nearest store to make sure the menu reflects what's actually served there, since availability can vary. As you scroll, you'll see clear categories to help you find what you want quickly. Explore soup, salad, and sandwich to view lighter options and fresh picks. Open breakfast to see morning offerings and check any time-specific availability. Some items may only be served during breakfast hours. Then look at main courses for the heartier plates, including well-known favorites. Clicking into any category will expand the list of dishes, usually with photos, ingredients, and sometimes nutrition or allergen details. If you need more specifics, many pages include a link to store hours and seasonal notes, which can affect what's on the menu that day. A quick tip if you don't immediately see Swedish restaurant where expected. Website layouts can change by region. Use the site's search bar to look for a Swedish restaurant, or check the IKEA food area again to make sure you're in the right section. Also, if you switch stores using the location selector, refresh the page to update menu items and prices. That's it. Go to the IKEA homepage, click Products, open IKEA Food, select Swedish Restaurant, and then browse the soup, salad, and sandwich, breakfast, and main courses categories. You're all set to explore the menu online before you go.